Hello everybody, I'm back with a stash. This is Cindy with Crafty the Heart, and I have a haul from a couple of different places. I'm going to start with the Unity Stamp Company. And so they had 50 to 60% off a bunch of stuff, plus free gifts. So I just went for it and bought a bunch of things I have on my list. A lot of my things I'm thinking of using, for art journaling, but also for just my regular stamping and card making and incorporating these types of things into my own style, because I think that's part of it. Because sometimes you buy things and you're like, you like it, but is it going to fit your style? And sometimes, some of the new things on the market may not necessarily fit the style that you have. I'm just trying to find ways to do that. But this is a vintage postcard one. And I've seen people do some really cute things with this and with art journaling and also with Tim Holtz stuff. So I thought that one would be kind of fun. So I've got that one. And then I do like all things coffee. So this one's really cute. It's a little smaller than I thought. This one's a little smaller than I thought it was going to be, but really cute. It's called Feel Love to Go. And then they have all kinds of coffee cup ones, but this was my favorite one. I liked this one with the heart. So I'll have to stamp it out and see. And these are red rubber. So there's that one. And then I love houses. I am going to do a bunch of stuff with houses, hopefully soon. This is called Heartful Homes. And it is a lot of cute little houses, which I think would also be really cute with gnome stamps. So I think I'm going to try to find a way to incorporate this in using my gnome stamps along with something else. And it comes with all these little tiny stamps too. This I love you, this flower, the butterfly. So really cute. I like that. And then I saw someone do something with this and I just loved it. This is called Snow Me. And I know we're getting out of the winter, but California, does it ever really get to be winter? But for us, it can get cold, but, my sister's up in the snow right now. Actually, she's in Big Bear. So it's pretty large. And I think I liked that, especially for, an art journal page. And I think, I don't know how this will fit on a regular size card or a, whatchamacallit, the longer style cards. It's kind of fat, too. So unless I cut off part of his, I don't know. I'll have to work it out and see, but I do think he's really cute. And it's Snow Me. And then another house. This is called Heartfelt Warmth. And this Susan Weckeser, she has a whole bunch of house ones. But I really liked this one. It's nice and tall. Really cute. This would be really good on, on a longer card maybe. With a cute little gnome or cute little people. I love there. And then let's see what else we've got here. This one is Grade School Tablet. And let's see, I've got a couple of freebies, I think, plus a coupon. Get a coupon over here so I don't forget about this. So I've got this Know You're Strong. So I don't know if I'm going to keep this one or not. I'm going to have to debate on that. I might try it out and see if I like it. And then this one is You're Too Kind. And so those were some freebies. And then I also got this, which is a toner card front. So you would put your foil over this and run this through your laminator or your ink, and it'll foil that for you. And this is a Unity Stamp Company one. I loved the hearts, so I got that one. I thought that would be kind of a fun one. And then, I canceled my subscription for a couple of months for La La Land, because the last couple of months, I'm kind of glad I did, because I was on them. But then they had this one, and I had to sign up again and get this kit, and I am going to be working on this kit soon. I normally had been doing that, and there's a couple of months that I didn't show you guys and do cards with it, And I love doing that because it gets me to actually, you know, use my brand new product. But this is the new one, and I really wanted to show you guys this one because it is super amazing, fantastic, and it is a Queen of Hearts one. So with this kit, you get this Queen of Hearts girl, and I saw them also color up in pastel, and it was amazing. So you get her, you get all these sentiments, you get the playing cards, stamps, and then you get the dies, and the dies are what's freaking amazing. So they have this playing card die, which is the same size as a real card die. You get the flamingo, you get the chess king and queen, and then you get all the little parts to make your own playing cards. You get them in the big size, and then you get them in the little size as well. And so this is just super cute. And so I had to re-sign up because I had to get this this kit, you know, also for my obsession with, you know, certain things. It's weird how you gravitate towards certain things, and I guess I really do like Alice in Wonderland stuff, and I don't know, houses. So I loved that. And then I did order from Waffle Flower itself, 25% off. And I do like how they package their stuff. They have a little freebie stamp set here. It's like a little word bubble. Put that over here so I don't lose that. I got this one, which comes with a tag die, and it's like one that you use to do swatches. So, and it comes in its own little thing with its own little packaging, which I like. So once I take it out of the plastic, it has its own packaging. I love that. And then this one, which is retiring, and I really do like the little mice. They do some other critter too, hamster, I think. And the hamster's cute, but the mice are my favorite. I don't know, I just like the mice. And then I also thought this would go really well with the free stamp set that I got last month from Tailored Expressions. So I'm going to work with that. Hopefully I'll be able to show you guys something with that. This would be a really great one. I mean, Valentine's Day I think would be cute, but I think anytime, you know, it's time trying to get together with people. And then the dies. And it comes with its own little thing, so that's cute. And then I've got this one, which I had a free coupon and stuff from My Favorite Things. This is supposed to work on a door. Like I'll make a little mail slot or whatever. And I actually have a door die that I got from Spellbinders that when I was doing the kit. And then this is from scrapbook.com. So this is part of their clearance sale. So everything was, you know, doesn't tell me how much stuff was, but it was really good, amazing price, except for this, which I paid full price for this. I had to have it because it is Mary Poppins. It looks just like Mary Poppins, and it has the umbrellas, and it's freaking Mary Poppins, and I can't wait to do something with this. It's adorable, and I hope it's not a pain in the ass to put together. Pain in the butt, sorry. To put together, because I hate that. I hate all the little pieces. So I just don't like that. And some people love that, and that's not me, but I had to have it. So I did pay full price for this because I wanted it so bad. So I did get that. And then I got this because it was such a good deal. I don't think I even have a stamp set for this, but sometimes I do that where I buy the die if it's really cheap, and then I go back and get the stamp set. And then this one, it's Waffle Flower, and Waffle Flower is really expensive normally. I find it expensive. So these were really good deal, like 60% off. This is Lilac Dreams. Really pretty. And then this one I don't have the dies for, called Fun in the Sun. I'll be on the lookout for the dies for that one if I can find it. This is like a background die, good for art journaling. This one I don't have the dies for this one. But it makes a girl, so I have to play with that. It's called Go Girl. And then this was such a good deal, I had to get it. It's We Blend. So, and it comes with the dies, and it was just an amazing price. Same with this one. And it comes with the dies as well. It's called Christmas Tree. So, I mean, kind of a weird looking die, so I'm gonna have to figure out what exactly it does. But yeah, so that's what I have for now. And I am going to have another haul in a little bit because I do have some other things to share with you. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy Crane Art.